Spring has sprung, so why don't you come out here to Sacksteder's Interiors. This is one of our stores out here in Indiana, and we're 25 minutes from downtown Cincinnati, and we're just going to share a little bit of our beautiful store for some inspiration to do that spring cleaning. And it doesn't always have to be cleaning, it can be decorating. So with our store, we sell a lot of different chairs. As you can see, these are from a company called Universal Furniture, and it's a custom line, so you can pick and choose whatever that you would like. This is a rather deep seat. As you can see, there's a lot of tall people out there, and they're looking for something like this. So we try to offer different sizes for different people. And so here we go. We'll just walk through here a little bit. We have some great candles. These are from Chandler, Arizona, a soy candle. They smell great. Those have been real successful for us. Here's another setting. This is from King Hickory. As you can see, it's got all the nail heads, the brass nail heads on it, or nickel. And just a nice seat again. Of course, we have all these other pillows that, make everybody feel good when you come to their home. But it sits so nice. King Hickory's one of my favorite lines. All 8-way hand tied. The cushion is nice and strong. Nice solid frame. Great choice. And again, we've got some hints of blue, which blue is a great color. And it's kind of made its debut again, maybe about 2 or 3 years ago. We do sell a lot of the different floral pieces. Jackie and Nikki create all of those here. Beautiful white container. I have this in here just in case I was going to scratch this brand new table from Uttermost. Cute little accent chairs. These are from Uttermost. It's something new. We just throw these pillows in. But it's just a nice sturdy chair. Something they're showing now is more with the iron legs, just to kind of give it that mid-century flair. So anyway, as we just kind of move right along, and we have some cute candles here from Rewind. Those are wine candles. Beth and Molly love wine candles. I totally enjoy selling different types of lamps. These again are from Uttermost. This is from Hooker Furniture, along with the different pieces of artwork, the plates, the beautiful Corbis mirror, and just ways to accent your room. Artwork, mirrors, other objects for your walls are so important, because if you don't use those, everything you've decorated is from the waist down. But here's our horizon. So get it up, be bold, get some artwork, and have it for 10 years. And you don't have to have it for the rest of your life. So don't be afraid to invest in artwork. And there's just different types of pieces. Do a lot of the high top tables. This is from Riverside Furniture. It's a Sophie collection. Nice chairs. We also have a company that we work along with, Fiber Seal, Janice, and we will have that covered with this Fiber Seal. You can spill red wine on it and it doesn't absorb it. It's a great company. It's a great product to add to your investment of your furniture. And of course, more artwork. All these little pretties. Just take a little stroll. Here's the best part, huh? Good old Frank Sinatra. A lot of different mirrors that we have. We have floor mirrors. We have mirrors with shapes. Mirrors are a great asset in your home. Typically it's for a reflection, but yet it can make a room look larger. And a replacement of a window possibly that you don't have. If you can reflect light into that mirror, just gives you that double light experience to lighten up your home. And we sell a lot of different clocks, nice little kitchen tables. These are from Liberty Furniture, and it's got a leaf in it. It's a nice piece here. I've shown that before on our videos. It's just a staple for us. Beautiful clock. And then as you come along, we have all different heights of lamps, styles. Most of our lamps are a 3-way, so a 3-way light bulb can work into those. And so that's just really important, especially when the time does change. Right now, it stays dark to, I think, 8:30. And just some pretty accent pieces. Then I don't know if you've been involved in seeing all of this. So it's real organic. and it's a moss collection and a wood bowl. So it's a nice accent. So lots of these little pieces like this. Here's some more blue. Then as you come along over here, things to think about when you are buying a lamp. There's so many different types. I only have one light bulb in this particular lamp, but the height of it's probably about 34 inches. But it has 2 pools on it, so I can put 2 light bulbs in it, so that brings off more light. And then when things are higher, it scatters that light better. And then I have a buffet lamp. These are a pretty little buffet lamp. They got a little bit of weight to them. They are from, again, Uttermost, which, of course, I love all their products. Cute little footstool if you're looking for something. Just for, I don't know, it can go from in your closet or into your living room. Just that little extra seat or next to a fireplace. And then this is one of our Cheryl sofas, another beautiful line. Cheryl Furniture has been around for a long time. It is all 8-way hand tied. I mean, how you can tell when you pick up a corner of a sofa and you try to lift it and you got to, you know, give it some effort. That sofa is got a lot of good products of the way it was designed and built. All the wood is kiln dry. Oh, heck, somebody's calling now. They want to buy something. Anyway, whatever. But anyway, so just different things. Just enjoy it. A nice chair here. This is from Hooker Furniture. We do a lot of office chairs, you know, now how things have changed. I believe this one's the Lily chair. And these can go up and down. There's a mechanism to use. And just a nice accent to your office. And again, another beautiful floor mirror. Cute little accent tables. This is a martini table. And they just work out great if you got a spot where like, man, I just want to sit a drink down, but I don't have room for a full table. We have so many different pieces of this. Anyway, just so this is a TV entertainment center, but you know, it doesn't have to be that. It can be of an extra credenza in a room or even in your bedrooms. If it's a spare bedroom and you don't want the typical dresser, feel free to try something like this. What I do this at home, and then when it has the shelves like this, well, you can take out one of these shelves, but you can stack your sweaters, your scarves, things like that, and you can visually see them in comparison to stuffing them in a drawer. I did that for 30 years. I'm over that. No more stuffing. And then we have just different pieces like this of different bookcases. And it's nice too. This is an open air. It can float in your room. This is from Uttermost. And again, these little cute accent pieces. This one's with the succulents. And it's just, they're just pretty. So if someone ever says to you, oh, you don't need any types of greenery or floral, I think they should rethink it. Just something nice and fresh and pretty. It's for all year round, but of course it's beautiful at spring. Another cute calla lily lamp from Uttermost. So here we are back to this spot, and Sherry's here. Hi, Sherry.
Hello, Karen.
Hi. Are you getting things organized?
I'm working on it.
That's great, Sherry. How long have you been working with us?
Probably about, I guess, 27 years.
20.
Yeah,
Yeah, we all hang out together pretty long, don't we?
we do. We try to have fun as we work.
There you go. Well, thanks, Sherry. So, okay, stop out and see us. Sacksteder's Interiors. Some beautiful blue tones again. But of course, we got all the natural pieces. So, stop out and see us.